Well, hello Charisman. Today I'm gonna try something new, replace my brake pads and rotors. So I've never done this. That doesn't seem too complicated. I shall have all the tools. And yeah, that thing is heavy. Cool. I've got this tool here to spread so that I can put new brake pads in. I have two pairs of the clips, so I should be good to go. I have blocked the back wheels, both of them. Screwdriver in there. Okay, I need to pull this in here. Two Phillips. I got it here. Up. That's a spacer. Oh, yes, got it. Okay. Okay, and this is keeping the bearing in there. So there's a bearing here. Oh, it might fall up. There it is. Ooh, that does not look good. Let's get a line up with one of those guys. Cool, and push to the max. Okay, and I can lift this up. pieces they clip onto here on both sides, just like that. Up, hopefully it fits nicely. Cool. 60 foot-pound. This is 100 foot-pound.